Imagine stepping onto your cruise, handing the check-in agent a single sentence, and 10 minutes later, you're sipping champagne in a balcony suite you didn't pay for. That actually happened to me last month, and today I'm giving you the exact playbook so you can do it too. Let's dive into the countdown. Number 10. Surge protectors and power strips without built-in surge protection. Regular power strips and cube taps are banned on almost every major cruise line: Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Norwegian, you name it. Fire risk is the official reason. One overloaded strip caused a cabin fire on Carnival Sunshine in 2023. Number 9. Clothing irons and garment steamers. Yes, even the tiny travel irons. Cruise ships ban anything with an open heating element because laundry rooms have caught fire multiple times. Pro tip: use the ship's free laundry service or bring wrinkle release spray instead. Number 8. Candles, incense, and anything with an open flame. Even battery-powered flameless candles are sometimes confiscated if they look too real. After a passenger started a balcony fire with a birthday candle in 2022, lines got strict. Essential oil diffusers that heat up are also a no-go. Number 7. Hoverboards and self-balancing scooters. Banned fleet-wide since 2016 after those lithium battery fires made global headlines. Security will spot the wheels in your luggage on the X-ray, and you'll never see it again. Number 6. Marijuana, even in legal ports, including CBD gummies in some cases. Doesn't matter if you're sailing from Miami or Amsterdam, U.S. federal law applies the second you board an American-flagged or major-line ship. Drogue-sniffing dogs work the gangway, and people still get caught every week. Number 5. Drones, unless you have written permission from the cruise line weeks in advance. Most lines ban them completely because of privacy laws and the risk of flying over other passengers. If you show up with one in your carry-on, it goes into a locked cage until the cruise ends. Number 4. Weapons of any kind, including pepper spray, tasers, and realistic toy guns. Even Swiss Army knives over 4 inches get taken. A grandma once had her walking stick confiscated because it had a hidden sword inside. Security doesn't mess around. Number 3. Hard liquor brought from home. You're allowed 2 bottles of wine or champagne per cabin, but anything stronger bought on land is confiscated at the gangway and returned on the last day. People still try hiding vodka in mouthwash bottles and fail spectacularly. Number 2. Illegal or gray area sporting gear. Spear guns, martial arts weapons, and even nunchucks for cosplay. Yes, someone really tried bringing nunchucks on board for a TikTok video. Anything that could be used as a weapon in a bar fight is an automatic no. And the number 1 item that gets more bags searched than anything else: extension cords and multi-plug adapters that aren't cruise compliant. This one shocks everyone. Regular household extension cords are banned for the same fire risk reason as surge protectors. You need a cruise-approved non-surge power strip like the ones with USB ports only, or you're losing it at security. There you have it, the 10 everyday items that can ruin your cruise vacation before it even starts. Double-check your suitcase against this list because security is faster and stricter than ever in 2025. Which of these surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I really do read them all. And if you want my free printable cruise packing checklist, what's actually allowed in 2025, smash that like button, subscribe with notifications on, and grab it from the link in the description. Safe sailing, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully without a confiscated suitcase.